And I tell you, the Multimedia Group's thought leadership team is presenting a forum, the Covid-19 and Safety at Work initiative, and that's the main event. And the event is slated for Monday, June 22, 2020 at the Labadi Beach Hotel. And joining us now is head of thought leadership right here, the Multimedia Group, and Inshirado. And Inshira, take it over.
Roland, and well, as you know, we're not in normal times, and from the 15th of June, we all had to stay home till quite a while in the about a few weeks ago. Now, people are resuming work. There are lots of questions that people might have about how to stay safe at work. As you would know, at Multimedia, we recorded some cases. There are other organizations that will be concerned about how they make people transition back into work and remain safe. And so we working with New Crystal Health Services Limited to with support from Farm Access to be able to put out a forum and get some experts to answer questions around how you can be safe at work and how employers can also ensure that employees are safe at work. It's an area that you need the right expertise from people who are either medical doctors, clinicians, and occupational health experts, which Dr. Aloteado is. So I'm going to bring Doc in now. Doc, this we all agree is an important conversation that needs to be had, but why are we doing this at this time?
Well, thank you very much, Inshirado. I hope you can hear me. Good morning,
yes,
everybody. Thank you for the opportunity. Who's been in operations for well over a decade. As a healthcare facility, just as you indicated, we also get in touch and come into contact with some of these clients who also test positive for COVID-19. As we are aware, is a new disease which has hit everybody globally. And so we thought that, look, what can we do as an entity, being part of a global family? And the country was locked down for a couple of weeks. And eventually we noticed that, look, it is not sustainable. So we've got to find a way to literally live with the virus. So we thought that as a group, as a corporate organization, our contribution to this goal would be to bring our expertise and knowledge to bear on our corporate clients and then the larger society. So that's exactly what prompted this.
Now, what will be the key issues that our participants and audience should look out for in terms of its coverage?
Okay, all right. Thank you very much. Good question. So what are we doing? Looking at workplace safety and COVID-19. So how do we ensure that employees go back to work, employees are well motivated to work, they are more enthusiastic to work, and their safety is taken care of, and the business as well can continue. We know that this has hit all of us, especially the business community, very hard. So this is exactly what we're looking at. We're looking to bring to bear how to prevent the COVID-19 infection, then how to keep your business place safe, which would ensure that your business continue, which is also would ensure that you can keep your bottom line up there. And so by the time participants leave the forum, they should be able to know what kinds of investment they need to do they need to make on investment as far as preventing COVID-19 in the workplace.
Wonderful. Well, this is coming on Monday from the Labadi Beach Hotel. We'll carry it live. We will be sharing a registration link for all those who would like to participate because they may not have access to TV or radio, and so that they can join the Zoom, the webinar aspect of the COVID-19 Safety at Work Forum. Well, we're happy to be working with you. When the idea popped up, we thought it was a brilliant idea. It's a timely conversation to be had. And we look forward to working with New Crystal Health Services and farmer access to bring this all-important conversation to our audience. And well done to you guys. And we look forward to having a great conversation and maybe by so doing, help contribute to the fight against COVID-19.
Absolutely. And I think the opportunity to invite the general public and everybody who may be interested, especially heads of institutions, CEOs, schools, public schools, private schools, and churches and organizations as such to take advantage of this and join us on the forum on Monday. Thank you very much.
Well, definitely.
Thank you very much, Dr. Addo, and it's nice talking to you. Over to you in the studio, Roland. And,
well, thank you, Inshira and Dr. Alote Addo. That was a good one. That was a great one as well. And we're doing it right here in this time of COVID. The virtual conversations and making sure that we all, the world of work, are safe and how we need to promote safety within the workplace. And all the details of the webinar, this great conversation will be with you. But when we return, we're having a conversation. Mama Vio Sabwaje is having a conversation with a medical doctor with the Konfanochi Teaching Hospital, Dr. Ivy Damwa. Please make sure you stick and stay.